Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Capricorn. Capricorn people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Capricorn people, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy, then we'll proceed with your readings. Capricorn, this is your current energy, 8 of Pentacles, and this is your partner's current energy, the High Priestess. Why are you being so busy in your life, Capricorn? Are you trying to ignore something? Are you going through some tough time in life? Why are you being so workaholic? I don't know. Are you hurt with someone's statement towards you? Are you hurt that your person has misbehaved with you, or they treated you something they treated you not well, is it? Or are you being very focused towards your career, towards your finances, towards your goal? I don't know. Whatever the case it is, it is telling me that you are being somebody who is working day and night 24/7. Perhaps you want to earn something in life, you want to earn respect, you want to earn love, you want to earn money, you want to earn something. There is something in your life which is missing, which you feel that you want this thing in life. And working something doesn't mean that you are working in office, or you're working in, or you have some business and all that, but it's also that it could also happen for you, Capricorn, that you are working hard to get that respect and love in your relationship. All right, so from relationship perspective, you are being very hardworking. You are giving all your efforts, you are giving all your emotions, you are giving all your heart to take or to create a space in your person's life. All right, because somewhere somehow you feel that your person doesn't value you, your person doesn't care about you, your person doesn't talk to you, or something. All right, on the other hand, Capricorn, it seems like your person is going through something and they are not showing their true emotions, showing their true face in front of you. They are hiding something from you, right? They must be behaving something in a different manner, or their mindset is completely a different thing. All right, so what they are saying is not, their words are not their words are not matching with their actions. That's what I mean to say. They say something, they do something, they think something, they talk something. It seems like they are hiding something from you. Okay, don't take it in a negative way, but yes, something is there which they are hiding from you. For some of you, Capricorn, it could happen that your person is into relationship with somebody else. It could also happen they don't want you to get to know that if they are going through some tough time in life, they don't want you to get to be a part of that thing, or to be a part of that mess. Okay, so anything can be happen for you, Capricorn. Now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and them. What is the mutual energy between you and them? Courage. Capricorn, it seems like it's your energy, because you are being somebody who is putting all your efforts, all your heart, all your mind. Okay, because you want to achieve something. You want that respect in your life, you want that love and emotion and affection from your person. Okay, so with this courage card, it seems like you are being very brave, you are being very courageous to get something in life. That's why you have put all the things, all your action, all your emotions in this particular task, or in this particular relationship. Okay, you have this belief in yourself that one day I'll make my space in their heart, I'll make my space in their life, I'll make my own space, I'll earn that respect. Okay, now let's see how your person sees you, what actions they are taking towards you, and what actions they'll be taking towards you in future. Okay. So we have the laziness card. Your person sees you as somebody who is very lazy, who is already blessed with so many blessings in life. They see you as somebody who is very privileged in life, Okay, you have all the things in your life, all the luxuries, all the materialistic things, all the emotions and all that. Okay, but one thing which they are seeing with your life is that they see you as somebody who is always dependent on other people. Perhaps you are dependent financially, emotionally on your family, and that thing somewhere somehow that particular emotion or that particular thing bothers them. Okay, so there's, from their perspective, they see you as somebody who has everything in life. Why you have to put all the efforts, why you have to do something? Okay, why you are being so courageous and brave and all that? Okay, but the case what with you is that you are being very very hardworking. Okay, you are not at all lazy. Okay, so don't get disheartened because they are not aware about your actions. Hence it's okay to, if they are feeling, if they are thinking towards you in that manner. All right, the current energy or current action from their side towards you is the master. All right, when master is here, I can't say anything else, because they are being somebody who is being guided by divine only. Okay, they are being somebody who is guided by universe. Okay, it's not that they, it's not that you only you want this relationship to happen or something, but yes, this is something, is a divine protected relationship, this is a divine guided relationship. And it seems like your person is going to get some clarity in life with this mastercard, and they'll be start taking, or they'll be start thinking about you. Okay, future energy is, it seems like your person is going to be very 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 possessive and protective towards you, Capricorn. Okay, the moment they'll be enlightened with the awakening, or they'll be enlightened with the guidance or some, you know, some clarity in life, they are going to be very crazy, very possessive, very protective towards you. Okay, so they'll behave like a child. Okay, they don't want you to share with anybody else. They would say, you belongs to me, I don't want you to share with anyone. Okay, so they'll be more, they'll behave like a miser. Okay, and you know, somehow they'll create a in they'll create an invisible wall around their, around you. Okay, or and around them, because they don't want anybody else to come and snatch you away. All right, well, this is a good sign. Okay, so Capricorn, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, the earth sign. Some of you could be dealing with Pisces. We have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and some of you could be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Right? So Capricorn people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit the bell notification button. And thank you very much. God bless you and goodbye.